The Word of God carries the nature of God, or God's DNA, genetic origin. So the Word of God says from John chapter 5 verse 24, "Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that heareth my word and believeth on him that sent me has everlasting life, and shall not come into condemnation, but has passed from death unto life. He that heareth these sayings of mine," Jesus speaking, say, "He that heareth my word." The Word of God carries God's gene, God's DNA. When you avail yourself to listen to the Word of God, the Word of God will enter into you and will deposit into your system God's nature. According to John chapter 1 and verse 12, he said, "As many as did receive him, to them gave he power to become the sons or the children of God, even to them that believe in his name." So there is no wonder about the Word of God. It is only one way. When you accept the Word, when you receive the Word, when you believe the Word, there is a power that will be surged into your spirit man that will create God's nature into you. And that is what deposited God kind of life. And that is what makes you a child of the living God. That is what draws you away from satanic enclave and manipulations. The Word of God, only the Word.